Hello and welcome to ScandiPWA Weekly community session with agencies. It's Alex here today with you, and today I have two very exciting and anticipated updates. I'm really happy to be able to announce this news. The Magento 2.3.5 support is here. Also, another great update, we have released an updated documentation. There's a new tutorial on how to create a ScandiPWA plugin. So this is something both of these news are very demanded by agencies in our community, and really happy to be able to announce this news. So let's move on with the first topic for today's session. Magento 2.3.5 support is here. This is a great news. We are finally supporting the latest version of Magento. The ScandiPWA theme is compatible with Magento 2.3.5, and you can use this version for creating your PWA project. So if you would like to learn more about this release, simply follow the link that is available here in the description section, or open our GitHub at github.com/scandipwa/base theme/releases, and here you will find not only all our latest releases, but particularly you will find information regarding the latest on the supporting the latest Magento version. Basically, the main takeaway is now that this version is supported, and this is great news. And next topic for today's short session is related to work with extensions in ScandiPWA for providing more context. Last week during the community session, I was happy to present a new video tutorial, the workshop on working with extensions in ScandiPWA theme was released, and we were happy to present it, filmed by ScandiPWA developer and the core maintainer. We've asked for your feedback, and we've heard your feedback. Thank you very much for all of community members that commented. We really appreciate your feedback. Make sure to send more questions, concerns, or other useful information, something that you would like to improve. We've take this information into consideration and created a new tutorial that is now available in our docs directory. So, creating a ScandiPWA plugin, how to implement a plugin with front-end functionality on ScandiPWA. Basically, if you are clicking the link from the description and opening this page, you will learn the extensions file structure, as well as you'll find a step-by-step algorithm of creating a simple extension. And of course, the video that I just mentioned is also here. So as you can see, this is a really detailed documentation, step-by-step explanation that will definitely help you working with ScandiPWA. But important to mention that this is a sneak peek to a newer version that will be released soon, so stay tuned. And meanwhile, since there is a lot of interest in working with extensions from the community, we are preparing this documentation and trying to make it as detailed as possible. Again, your feedback is very appreciated here. Please help us to create a better product by sharing your thoughts and asking us questions. We will definitely note and take it into consideration when creating more information, and there will be more information on extensions for sure. There will be more videos and tutorials. So basically these are two main topics. There will be more updates, so if you want to be up to date and stay tuned, then make sure to follow our weekly newsletters, and you will receive more information that will come later this week. Till now, please send us your feedback by commenting on this video on YouTube, by asking your questions in community Slack, or simply emailing us at hello@scandipw.com, or using my email address you see here. This is it for today. Thank you for your attention, and see you next week. Goodbye.